Right, standing by for splashdown of the Axiom 2 crew.
AX2 is back on Earth.
We should now see that hydraulic lift actuate and pull it out of the water. There we go. It's a pretty cool view there of the heat shield on the underside. We might be close to seeing our first crew member.
Yes. Starting to see our first crew member egress from SpaceX Dragon vehicle. Who is that? Is that?
I think that might be Peggy.
That does look like Peggy. Commander Peggy Whitson seems to have egressed the vehicle.